Every bird's eye view, every busy intersection, every city skyline. Beyond imagination, architecture will breathe, collaborate, and manage life with us. Today, the land is overloaded, and the population grows exponentially. We urgently need more stable, more efficient, and smarter construction methods to re-energize the pulse of the city healthy and vigorous. This change is also happening in the field of construction. Starting from the first order, HiTN has kept improving in details. Put the needs of customers in the first place, turn the impossible one by one into possible. Standard determines quality, and quality is undoubtedly the bottom line of building. Since 1997, HiTN has undertaken the formulation of dozens of national standards, has 3 provincial-level laboratories, hundreds of national patents. In order to connect technology with the world, HiTN has established long-term cooperation with Italian experts to study technology with great concentration, and hired the world's top 500 management team to upgrade corporate processes, strict cooperative brand, ensure high-quality new and stable products. From the inside to outside, HiTN has been polishing himself. The fission of the intelligent industry has brought about the evolution of the cognitive dimension, data first, and precision collaboration. Today's HiTN has the most complete and sophisticated equipment in China's prefabricated building field. HiTN's complete set of digital manufacturing equipment with key nodes such as automatic mold placing, precise distributing, intelligent conveying, and intelligent curing creates necessary conditions for the automation and flexibility of components and covers the entire production cycle. The information model of precast concrete components, the data standard for the whole process of component production, intelligent decision-making systems such as automatic production planning, intelligent production scheduling, and unmanned yard management based on the cloud platform have realized the informatization and intelligence of the production line. After more than 20 years and more than 8,000 days and nights, HiTN experienced bit-by-bit growth and finally completed its role as the pioneer of PC plus intelligent equipment superfactory. In the future, the innovation brought by HiTN, PC plus Intelligent Equipment Superfactory, will lead the construction industry to regain its vitality. In order to make this cycle sustainable, it is necessary to continuously inject new power factors into the blood of the company. HiTN is willing to share experience and resources, respect, cooperate, and work together to serve the prefabricated building field, so that customer value can be improved in all directions.
必须树立和践行绿水青山就是金山银山的理念，
大力发展钢结构和装配式建筑，打造智慧城市，改善人居环境。
In the context of sustainability, the 13th Five-Year Plan clearly pointed out that China's prefabrication rate of buildings should reach 30% by 2025. And 31 provinces and cities have successively introduced subsidy policy requirements. Practitioners of prefabricated building are faced with a huge market space. For HiTN, there are more important responsibilities. Prefabricated buildings are the needs of the times, the core of an energy-saving city, and the vision of HiTN. HiTN continues to help new construction models to make the combination of steel and concrete more delicate and rigorous. Let construction and production maintain elegance and dignity under the control of the quality of the supply chain. In the future, what challenges will the field of intelligent equipment face? Together, let us conceive and extend